going on YouTube? This is the PB and Chico channel, and today we're going to be building a paintball marker holder. Now, just to let you know, there are a ton of videos of how to do this, so I thought I'd add it to the collection just for fun. You're going to need a 5-foot 1-inch PVC pipe. You're going to need 2 T 1-inch, 4 90-degree 1-inch, and 4 45-degree 1-inch. Now when we cut this up, it's going to make, again, the PVC marker holder. So I already did the pre-measurements. We're going to go ahead and look at that right now. So for the first cuts, you're going to need 2 9 inches, 2 8 inches, 1 6-inch cut, 3 2-inch cuts, and 2 1.5-inch cuts. Now let's take this outside and make some cuts to this pipe. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this thing together. We're going to grab the 2 90-degree angle fittings and put a 2-inch pipe to hold them both together. We're going to make sure they're nice and tight. This is going to form where our tank is going to be held. Now we're going to grab an 8-inch pipe and put it into the 90-degree angle fitting. Now we have the 2-inch and the 8-inch held together by the 2 90-degree angle fittings. Next, we're going to grab the 45-degree angle fitting. Grab one right there. This is going to help us go forward more in our adjustments. Now, if you notice, I accidentally left one of the pipes in the 45-degree angle one, which is the 1.5. So we're going to put another 1.5 right there. And this is going to allow us to get another 45-degree angle so we can go forward now in our holder. So make sure those are nice and tight. Again, so now we're going to grab a 9-inch pipe along with another 45-degree angle to make our thing go forward. Same thing again on the left side. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now we're going to grab the 9-inch pipe to go forward. And grab the other 9-inch pipe for the right side. So now our holder is starting to come together. Now we're going to grab our third 90-degree angle and put it at the end of the 9-inch pipe. And our fourth one. And we're going to put a 2-inch pipe in between. Now this is where our T is going to come in place. That's our first one. And this is going to be starting where our barrel is going to be held. Alright, make sure it's nice and tight. Nice and level on the ground. Then we're going to grab our 6-inch pipe in the middle and grab our T for where the barrel is going to be held. I'm going to get my marker real quick so we can test it out and see how it looks. Now I've seen some guys at the paintball field where they have their holder right there on the barrel. I personally do not like that. I'm going to go ahead and put it closer to the body of the marker. That way it has a little bit more stable connection. And it doesn't put as much stress on the barrel, more on the frame of the marker. Now let's go paint it.